How do you rebuild trust in a relationship when it's been broken? Oftentimes, someone was unfaithful. Somebody had an affair. Something happened. So what do? Well, let me tell you just a little bit about what not to do. It's not a good solution to lose all independence, to turn over your phone, to share email from now on, to have your location open on her phone so she always knows where you are. These things long term won't do it. If you've been unfaithful, but you've committed to doing what you can to be the man you want to be the partner you want to be, and you're working on it, whether individually and in couples, whatever the case may be, that trust has to be built at the same time that you guys maintain your autonomy. Because if you can't learn to trust each other without always having to check, without being suspicious, then you're never going to have the relationship that you really want. So I say this because it's a mistake that men make often, right? At the beginning, when they're caught, when it becomes known that this affair happened, out of guilt and all the shame, they'll say, yeah, have this, you can look at everything, I've got nothing to hide. Well, if one day you want privacy, you're gonna have a hard time turning that stuff around. So it may sound impossible now, but rebuilding trust is a marathon. You know, it's not a quick race. It's not a 100-yard dash. It takes time. It takes time, and this is a little piece of wisdom that you might want to hold on to if you're in the process of rebuilding the trust in your relationship.